Hey folks, my name is Tim and we're going to be going over some of the things that we can do with the NuVera Online 3D Editor. You'll notice we're inside of 3ds Max at the moment, as we're going to be going through how we export a 3D model from 3ds Max into the NuVera Editor. So we have here a basic chair that Willow has created, and we're going to be exporting this using the Collada format. So you'll notice first of all that there's no nodes. This is simply just a basic model. If I hit H on my keyboard, I can see that the only thing that we have in the scene is just this model. No nodes, no nothing else. So, first thing that we want to do is we want to make sure, once we're creating a model, we want to make sure that it is centered. So we can see here that our model is centered in the scene. Everything looks good. So we're ready for export here. So we're going to go to File, Export, and let's see, I don't know if you can shrink this down. Alright, so we're going to select the Collada star.dae format, and let me choose a destination here, projects, and we're going to create a new folder in here called Metal Sofa. And we're going to call the DAE file itself Metal Sofa.dae, and we're going to hit save. So when we have the Collada Max export dialog box, we don't want to export animations. The rest of it we'll leave as is, and we'll hit OK. Alright, so we've gone ahead and exported this model. In the next step, we'll show how we go ahead and import this model into the NuVera Editor. Alright, so here we are inside the NuVera Online Editor. I've already gone ahead and logged in, and after login, we get our project selection screen. But before we begin, I want to go ahead and show another thing that I've done here for the setup of import. This is the folder that we've gone ahead and exported our metalsofa.da file to. We've also gone ahead and copied over the two textures associated with this project as well. This is going to mean that the editor is going to go ahead and import these textures when we import our model. So back at the project selection screen, we're going to create, under Create a Product, we're going to go ahead and click Object/Furniture. So we'll notice that we start out, we have our grid, our reference avatar, and we're going to click New Product. Here we have Import Mesh, Edit Model, Snapshots, and Submit Product. First of all, let's go ahead and import our mesh that we created. So we'll go ahead and find our DAE file, and here's our metalsofa.da file, and we'll click Open. And we'll close that window. And we can see that everything imported in with our textures. And that's because we had our textures in the same folder, as I showed earlier, with the DAE file. So it's able to find these and reference them and import them when I import the model. If we go under and click Edit Model, we can see here are our textures associated. If we mouse over any of these textures, we can see that it highlights that part. So everything's imported correctly, so from here we can go ahead and submit this product. So if we click Submit Product, we get this window. Asks us for some basic information, so we'll say product name, Metal Sofa, and we'll select a category, and environment objects, indoor furnishings, and we'll put this under benches. So we have a couple of different options that we can select here. There's inheritable, which allows us to check this off if we want somebody else to be able to inherit and retexture this model. We have no purchase, so if this was designed simply to be inherited and we didn't want anybody to be able to purchase it, we can check this off. The can bundle option allows us, or allows other developers to be able to bundle this product inside of a bundle or layout. And risque is basically if this was an adult product. And we can see here we have our submit fee. The cost needs to be at least the same amount as the submit fee. So let's set this to be 25. And we can set up keywords, which helps when searching for your product in the catalog. and we can set up product description. Product description here, I'm just going to set up as, if I can type, a nice metal sofa. This information here for the product description can be edited on the website after we go ahead and submit. So with this information in place, we can go ahead and click the Submit button. And it'll alert us and let us know that it'll cost 20 NN to submit this product, and if we want to continue. So, okay. And product upload successful. So we can close this. So now our product has been uploaded. Click back. Our product has been uploaded to the catalog. It's not quite in the catalog yet. We have to go to the website and actually publish the product, which this video will not be